In daily life, we are surrounded by fossil raw materials. From products in our cars, in insulations in buildings, and in kitchenware, like pan handles. Society today needs to find new ways to unlock the hidden potential of renewable raw materials. Lignin, a basic component of almost any plant that grows, is proving to be a promising resource to make the shift in Europe's manufacturing industry happen.
Die letzte Zeit hat definitiv
Recent time and political developments have definitely shown that more and more green products are demanded by the market. Lignin is a raw material that has long been part of research. Now within the Bio4 Products project, we as Hexion have been able to investigate lignin in more detail.
Nochmal zu aktivieren.
In the framework of Bio4 Products, scientists at Hexion, a global leader for phenolic specialty resins, have succeeded in partially replacing fossil phenol with bio-based lignin in resins. Two applications seem very promising: insulating foams and moulding compounds. Granulated plastic moulding compound is the base material for molded plastic products. Moulding compounds have to meet many requirements to ensure that the end product meets customer expectations. Tests of the mechanical properties should ensure that the bio-moulding compound has the same performance as the phenol-based one. The researchers use, for example, compression and tension tests to evaluate the reactions of the moulding compound to crushing and determine the breaking point of the material and its elongation.
Im Rahmen vom Zug- oder
During these tests, we could see that the use of lignin in our products gives good performance data. We at Hexion see a great potential to integrate this bio-based material into our products.
Produkte zu integrieren.
A second promising product is the application of lignin resins in insulating phones. One of the most important properties of these foams is long-lasting protection in case of a building fire. In a fire test, the new foam is exposed to a heat of over 1000 degrees. Even after 5 minutes of exposure to heat, the material remains stable.
Wir konnten nachweisen, dass
We have shown that this foam has better properties than standard foams. Additionally, we have conducted application tests in cooperation with a number of customers. These customers too were able to see clear advantages with the new renewable raw materials.
nachwachsenden Rohstoffen sehen.
Although lignin is not yet as reactive as fossil phenols in all areas, Bio4 Products research proves that a transformation to a bioeconomy will be possible in the near future.